Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. So students, in our previous lecture we have started our new chapter, that is acid, bases and salt, in which we have discussed about indicators and properties of acids. See, today we are going to discuss about uses of acids. Many acids find extensive use in our day-to-day life. For example, first use of acid were in fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers which you have must seen at homes, offices, schools, etc. to extinguish what? Fire. So the fire extinguishers are based on the property that when any acid reacts with carbonate, it forms what? Carbon dioxide and water. And we all know that carbon dioxide is what? Non-supporter of combustion. It will extinguish the fire. Now let us discuss the construction of fire extinguisher. A fire extinguisher is a metal cylinder. See, metal cylinder with a nozzle, and inside the cylinder are two chambers. One is inner and one is outer. Inner chamber contains what? Sulfuric acid, and outer chamber contains what? Sodium carbonate. And when the cylinder is inverted and the nozzle is pressed, the acid reacts with what? Sodium carbonate and produces what? Carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is the reaction. Sodium carbonate reacts with sulfuric acid and forms what? Sodium sulfate plus carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so the carbon dioxide gas coming out from the nozzle is directed at the fire to extinguish it. Carbon dioxide, being heavier than air, settles on the fire, cuts off the supply of air, does not support combustion and extinguishes the fire. Okay, now we are going to discuss some other uses of acids. C. Acids are used in the batteries of cars, trucks and inverters. Acids are used in making drugs, paints, dyes. Acetic acid is also used for making what? Baking powder. Acids are used for dyeing purposes in textile, paper and leather industries. Now next topic we have to discuss is what? Bases. So students, bases are what? They are the compounds that produce what? Negative hydroxyl ions in water. And we are having two type of bases. One is strong bases, second is weak bases. The examples of strong bases are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Whereas weak bases, zinc hydroxide, copper hydroxide. Next we are having what? See, properties of bases. They are bitter to taste, they are slippery to touch. Like when we touch the bases, we will have a feel of soap. That means we will feel like we are touching a soap. They are good conductors of electricity. They are highly corrosive. Okay. Next is what? Uses of bases. That means where we can use bases. See, first use is what? That they are used in whitewash. Second, they are used in paper making. Third, some bases are used as antacids to relieve acidity. Sometimes when we eat fast food or we do overeating, we feel what? A problem in digestion. That means in our stomach there is what? Excess amount of acid, and to get relief from that hydrochloric acid we have to take what? Antacid tablets that will relieve us from acidity. See, fourth is what? They are used for manufacturing soap, medicines, fibers. Fifth, they are used to prepare washing soda. Next we are having what? Salts. The product of the reaction between an acid and a base is what? A salt. See, that means when an acid reacts with a base, it forms what? Salt plus water. And this process is known as what? Neutralization reaction. For example, when hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide solution, it gives us what? Sodium chloride plus water. See, salt is produced. Next we are having what? Properties of salts. See, they are mostly soluble in water. They help in the conduction of electricity. They have high melting and boiling temperatures. Next we have to discuss what uses of salts. See, common salt is an essential part of our food. Second, they are used in manufacturing soap. They are used as a preservative in pickles, meat, fish. Because when we add salt as a preservative in pickles, meat, fish, they preserve the food from being spoiled by the action of microorganisms. Fourth, they are used to prepare cement and glass. Last, they are used in preparing hydrochloric acid, caustic soda, baking soda. So this is all about our chapter. Your homework is you have to describe a fire extinguisher with a labeled diagram. Second, you have to write two uses of each, one acid, bases and salt. So this is all about this chapter. Have a nice day. Goodbye.